No homework.
No homework.
We're at the Cessys.
On this lovely rainy day.
Lovely. I really liked the thunder though. It was really nice.
Oh my gosh, so in Sound Express, all of the girls started to scream.
All
Everybody, it was just like, wow. We were all like, and I'm like, wow.
That's ridiculous.
Such little pussies. And my grandma is like uber afraid of thunder and lightning.
Really?
Like, yeah, so I called her, I'm like, are you okay? And she's like, yeah, I'm hiding in my closet. I'm like, oh.
Oh, that's so sad.
She's so cute, I love her. You know, I probably should put ice in this.
I don't know if the ice machine works either though, because it's. She told me that the thing didn't work.
Oh, that's annoying. I want to
It was really loud. Like I was like it's the only time I've been scared of thunder because like it sounded really, really close.
It was like right above us.
I was like, oh my god, there's gonna be a lightning strike. Someone's gonna get hit by lightning today.
That'd be so cool. Hope it's staged. Watch now.
Just be a person that I don't like, please. That would be wonderful. Freshman. That's mean. I think there's some freshman kids in here right now. With their mommies.
Nobody left. I think that one's mine.
You didn't get a number?
I
Item number 9. 99999.
I got nope, yep, I got it. Look at this enormous burrito. This little tiny girl is gonna eat. Are you ready for this? Nom 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 nom. Is it like orgy in your mouth amazingness? Yes. Yes.